Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to add some images to your web page using the CMS. And I have open here a demo website, and this is just the home page, and I'm going to just show you how to add some images down here beneath this paragraph of text on the home page. Okay, so to do that, let's go to the CMS area, and if you go to categories, and we're actually modifying the home page category, which is categories 0 here, so just click modify. And you can see that here's the text that we have on a home page at the moment. So let's bring the let's add some images in here. So there's two ways to do this actually. The first way is to use the image file browser, which you can get to through this icon here on the toolbar. That uses a file browser plugin, and you can pretty much get through there. And the other way then is to actually upload an image under category images down here. Okay, so let's use the file browser plugin first of all. So to do that, let's just go down to a new paragraph here, and click this icon here to insert or edit an image. And what you get now is it asks you for an image URL. Now if you have an image uploaded already, you can actually put the URL in here and use that. It'll load your image in. If you don't and you need to upload an image, as I said, you can use this file browser. Just click this little icon here, and it opens up a file browser. Now yeah, you can see pretty much I've got some images added here already. You can add new folders and organize your images and stuff like that, but we're just going to keep this straightforward. So let's use an image that we have already there. So we'll click on cakes here, and down here it gives you the URL to the actual image. And just make sure you have this checked, absolute URL, because that gives you the full URL location there. Just click insert, and you can put a description in for your image in there, and then that's pretty much the alt tag for the image. Then click insert, and there you go. You can see the image has been added into the content area. Now that's a bit big, so let's just resize this down a little bit. And if we save our category, and now we view the category home page here, you can see that the image has been added. Okay, so that's how you pretty much add an image, but now that image was already uploaded, so let me just show you quickly how to upload an image using that file browser. So to do that, again, click on that little tree icon, click on the file browser button, and to upload there's a little button up here. It's kind of hard, it's easy to miss and it's hard to see, so it's just there, upload. Click on that, and then select your files, click on browse. So let's pick these chocolate cakes here, and then click on open, and that will actually upload the file now. And when that's done, when it says complete here, just click close, and you can see now we've got the image uploaded. So to add that, again, just click on it. Again, the URL to the image is down here. Then just click insert, give it a description, choc cakes, and click insert. Now again, that image is a bit big, so let's just resize it down, similar to the other one. Okay, and if you save that now and go back and refresh our home page, you can see now we've got two images added into our home page. Okay, so that's two ways of adding images. Now you can resize these, and you can drag them and move them around into different areas in your content, and delete them, and change the padding and everything. If you click in here, click appearance, you can actually give it a bit of spacing, say 40 pixels. Oop, that didn't work. Horizontal space 40 pixels. Okay, just need to make sure this is the actual styling for it down here. You can edit that as well. If you know CSS, you can manually edit it. Then just click update, and you can see now we've got a little bit of spacing between the images, maybe too much. So now I'm going to show you how to add a third image, but I'm going to do this using the other method. So that's the file browser method, and the other method is to come down here and use category images. So if you go down here and click on choose file button, and let's select the red cake image and click open, and then click add image, save category. So just click that. you can see that we've uploaded this red image here into as a category image. So if you want to add that, now as is, that's not going to show up on the page. So if I refresh this page here, you can see we're still just looking at our two images there. So if you want that in your content area, it's just a simple matter of just clicking on that and dragging it up into your content area like that. So let's get rid of the chocolate cakes one for the moment, and let's just put that up there instead. We can make it bigger. This image that you're looking at down here, this is although it's thumbnail size, it's actually a higher resolution image, so when you drag it up here you can resize it and it's going to come out good on your page, so long as the image you upload is of a decent size. So let's give it a bit of space in there again as well. Parents, horizontal space, 40, click that, and now let's save our category again and refresh the page. And you can see now we've got our two images on our page, and again you can kind of move them around, resize them, and stuff like that. So there are the two different ways you can add images. First way, again, to recap, is to click into the insert image tool and click on the file browser button, and then use this to upload images and to insert them into your content area like that. And then the second way is to use the category images section here to upload files. So I could choose another image and upload it in here like that, and then you can take it from there and you can drag it up into your content area. And once you make your changes to your content area, just don't forget to hit the save category button there. Now the two different things, they're two different methods, and really the difference between them is the file browser in here, this gallery and selection of files is basically shared. It's kind of like a shared resource, so whether you're modifying a category or an article or a category again, you can pretty much go in here using in any content area and select an image that you want to insert. So it's kind of like a shared gallery, I would say, or shared directory of images, or whatever you want to call it. Whereas down here, the category images, these are pretty much associated with just this particular category. So when you go to add or modify another category, they could have different images here. Again, the image is uploaded, so if I was to click on that and say I could copy the image URL and use it anywhere, let's hang on a second, open image, new tab. So that just shows you the URL to the image and full size image, and you can use that anywhere anyway on your website if you want to, but generally speaking these images here are just associated with this particular category, and there's certain features in the CMS that will when it's interacting with the particular categories will reference the images that you have here under category images. So you know, the main image for this particular category would be this here main image that you've uploaded this way, whereas these are just, you know, content area images that you've maybe put in through the file browser. So that's the difference between the two, and that's different ways that you can add images to your web page using the CMS.